Welcome to the Hawk University Surface Repair video series. In this video, we'll demonstrate completing a surface repair featuring the Redux 130 Universal Spa Repair Kit. Quality surface repairs can be broken into 3 grades: good, better, and best. In this video, we'll focus on the no-coating, functional, and inconspicuous repair. When you need to repair chips, scratches, and other surface imperfections, but time is of the essence, a tinted, high-performance filling compound may be the solution. There are 4 basic steps for using the Redux 130 Universal Spa Repair Kit: surface preparation, tinting, filling, and finishing. With any surface repair project, Hawk recommends the use of appropriate safety equipment. Please review material safety data sheets and application guides prior to using the products. The featured kit provides everything you need to effectively complete tinted repairs without the use of spray coatings. A quality repair always starts with adequate surface preparation. Start by completing all structural repairs prior to beginning the surface repair process. Sand the edges of the damaged area to remove loose fragments. Use care not to sand beyond the immediate area of the damage. After preparing the surface, use the provided alcohol wipe to clean the damaged area. Once the surface has been adequately prepped, the repair materials must be tinted to closely match the repair area. The kit comes with a white and neutral Redux 130 Spa Putty Part A, which can be applied to a repair in their original colors if desired. The kit also includes 6 highly concentrated Redux 130 colorants, which can be mixed into the Redux 130 Neutral Spa Putty to achieve a color that more closely matches the repair area. To tint the Redux 130 Spa Putty Part A to a color that matches the repair area, thoroughly mix a golf ball-sized portion of the neutral Redux 130 Spa Putty Part A and 1 drop of your desired colorant. Redux 130 colorants are highly concentrated pigments. We used only 1 drop of black colorant to transform the neutral Redux 130 Spa Putty Part A to black. Note that you have ample time to refine the color because the Part A and colorants will remain stable until the Part B is added. Our goal was to achieve a gray spa putty. To do so, we used a 2-step process. First, combine a drop of Redux 130 black colorant with a golf ball-sized portion of neutral Redux 130 Part A. Then add 1 drop of the black tinted mixture to a golf ball-sized portion of the white Redux 130 Spa Putty and thoroughly mix. Continue to add tinted putty to the white putty until your desired color is achieved. The last step in the tinting process is to combine 98 parts of Redux 130 Part A to 2 parts of Redux 130 Part B cream hardener. For comparison, that's equivalent to a golf ball-sized portion of tinted Part A to a pea-sized portion of Part B. Once the 2 parts have been combined, you will only have about 5 to 10 minutes to apply. Apply the mixed Redux 130 Spa Putty to the damaged area to a slight excess. Excess putty will be removed by sanding later. Allow the repair area to dry for 20 to 30 minutes. Sand the repair area until it's flat and smooth, feathering the edges. Repeat the filling and sanding process as needed until the repair is smooth and pores and pinholes have disappeared. Use Redux 730 medium buffing compound, then polish with Redux 750 polishing compound. Allow the repair area 24 hours to cure before returning to service. Exposure to moisture before the repair has fully cured can compromise the quality of the repair. The finished result is an inconspicuous repair that will endure the challenging spa environment without additional coating steps. Thank you for taking the time to learn about how to use the Redux 130 Universal Spa Repair Kit. Please let us know in the comments if you have any other videos that you'd like to see next.